Children, how are you? I am fine and hope so you all. After a break of 15 days, again Bhavna Desai, your science teacher, is with you with the lesson number 2. Before starting the second lesson, we will have a quick check of lesson number 1. That is parts of the plant and their function. That is, last lesson we saw root system, shoot system, stem, flowers, fruits, leaves and seeds and their function. Now we will see in this lesson that how plants are useful to us. So let us start lesson number 2, uses of plants. Plants play very important role on earth. Plants are useful in many ways. The first use, during photosynthesis, they release oxygen, and as you know, for living things, oxygen is necessary to survive. Plant also take in carbon dioxide from the environment and purify the air. Second one, in the process of transpiration, plants release water vapor. This water vapor move into atmosphere and change into clouds. The clouds come down as rain when condensation happen. Thus plants help in rainfall. Here I want to clarify with you children. Once when the water vapor rises upstairs, it at a certain place it condenses, means it get cool, and again it comes down as a rain. So plants are very useful in rainfall also. Plants prevent soil erosion by holding the topsoil together. Means plant just give a grip to soil, so while flood there will be no soil erosion. Plants give shade to living beings and are also homes to many animals, birds and insects. Children, you know, on tree many animals they have their home and they give shade also. Plants provide food for both animals and human beings. Plant also provides many useful things such as wood, paper, fiber, medicine, perfume, rubber and so on for people to lead a proper life. This is a very important point. Again I am repeating, plants also provides many useful things such as wood, paper, fiber, medicine, perfume, rubber and so on for people to lead a perfect life. Even after they die, plants break down into nutrients, mix with the soil and increase the fertility of the soil. Again I am repeating, even after they die, plants break down into nutrients, mix with soil and increase the fertility of soil. Plants as food. Plants are the most important source of food for the human beings. Plants give us different food materials such as cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, oil and beverage. Again I am repeating, plants are the most important source of food for the human beings. Plant gives us different food materials such as cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, oil and beverage. We will move on to first one, that is cereals. Plant give us the most important part of our diet. Children, diet means regularly whatever we are eating in lunch and dinner, that is called diet. So cereals play a very important role in our diet. Cereals form our staple diet. As you know, the staple diet means if we are eating roti, sabji, dal, rice, this is called our staple diet. They are energy giving food rich in carbohydrates, as for example rice, wheat, maize, barley and bajra. Children, again I am repeating cereals. Plant give us the most important part of our diet. Cereals. Cereals from our cereal forms our staple diet. They are energy giving food rich in carbohydrates, and the example for that is rice, wheat, maize, barley and bajra. Children, you know what is the meaning of energy giving. From morning till night we are doing different type of activities and work, and that for that we need energy. Those cereals are the form from which we can get energy. Now we will move on to pulses. Plants also provides us pulses. Pulses are rich in proteins and are the main source of body building food. And for that example are red gram, green gram, black gram, peas, rajma and beans. Again I am repeating pulses. Plants also provide us pulses. Pulses are rich in proteins and are the main source of body building food. And the example for that is red gram, green gram, black grams, peas, rajma and beans. Children, pulses are rich in proteins, and proteins play a very important role in body building. To build up a body and a healthy body, we need to eat more and more proteins. Here we saw that cereals are rich in carbohydrates, whereas pulses are rich with proteins. Children, now you know some important things about plants, why plants are important and how it is useful to us. We saw the different aspect that how plants are useful to us. Now in the next session we will go further. Till then I am ending my lesson. Bye bye. See you.